Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures.
May 28th, 2025. I was reading on my tailgate when my reading was disturbed by this family of deer not more than 20 yards away from me. They seemed to not be overly concerned about me, although Mama, the one with the damaged front leg, stopped often and kept an eye on me. One of the youngsters has a nice set of antlers covered in velvet and seems to have amorous attentions to one of the others. It was a nice way to spend some of my reading time. Thank you so much for watching my video. You know that you can subscribe for free and it really helps me out. Please just click on my picture to subscribe.